What's up, guys? You're back in the machine. Quick little how-to today on Peacock Pose or Mayurasana. Looks really cool and is a good workout for your arms and your core, which remember includes your back. It is an arm balance. As I always say, the key to an arm balance is balance, not strength. If you equalize the weight in front of you and behind you, there's not a lot of work left to do other than hold still. I'm going to show you how. Grab your stuff and let's get started. Okay, this is where we're headed with Peacock Pose. Looks pretty cool, but as usual, I'm not working that hard once I have my weight equal on the shoulder and the hip side. Here are a few little tips to help you get there. First of all, my fulcrum point is my elbows, but the problem is they land above the halfway spot for equalizing the weight. From here, there's more of me below the elbows than above. For that reason, I actually have to shift weight and angle my forearms toward the shoulder side to equal out the weight of the big heavy butt. Secondly, I need to squeeze these elbows into the middle, but if I start at the bottom, they don't fit very well. I like to bring my arms up, put my shoulders forward, now externally rotate the arms and put them in place. What I don't want is my elbows completely touching, because that means my hands are close and I don't have a lot of stability on either side, to the right and the left. I also don't want them too wide, because then they might slide off my ribs. So once I have them in place, I have them touch. I put them in, and then I back it off just a little bit, like an inch between my elbows and my pinkies. Also important is to engage your back muscles so you don't just flop over like an umbrella. You want to be extended straight. Almost imagine that you're trying to bow your back like a banana, because you'll think you're straight when you're actually a little bent. If you slightly overshoot it, you'll actually be straight. So setting this up from the side, hands in front, shoulders, external rotation. I bring my elbows in, little bit of a separation. Now I peel my fingers back until my palms are on the mat. Now, if I'm just learning, I can do one leg at a time. Shift forward, feel where it is, and just try to lift. As I get better, I extend both legs and still do one leg at a time. And at first, I might only hold it for a second to feel that balance. As I get better and better, I'll hold it longer. If you don't really engage your abs, your transverse abs on this one, you're going to shove those elbows into your diaphragm and it's going to be really hard to breathe. So one more time. Shoulders forward, external rotation, bring the elbows in. Peel the fingers back, set the palms. Now notice what I'm doing here to equalize the weight. I'm shifting forward, angling my forearms toward my head. If I try to do this with vertical forearms, it's nearly impossible. My hips and my legs are too heavy. When I lean in, now I engage my back, bring my feet together, straighten my legs, keep my head up, and I look just like a peacock. It's so easy. All you have to do is practice. Go do the yoga.
But the whole point of the machine is to relieve you of that suffering.